Welcome to this latest Go Power how-to video. Today, we are going to go through the steps to connect two 300Ah advanced lithium batteries to the Go Power PowerTrak screen. Step 1. Remove the water caps on each battery. Step 2. Connect the two batteries with optional Go Power positive and negative interconnect battery bars or appropriate gauge wire. Step 3. Connect one of the battery end cap terminating resistors to the port, as shown. Note: twist the cap slightly until you hear a click. Then proceed to tighten. Do not force the connector in. Forcing the resistor in will result in irreparable damage. Step 4. Connect the battery interconnect cable to the ports on each battery in the bank. Step 5. Connect the PowerTrak cables by screwing in the communication cap in the last port of the first battery, next to the LED button, as shown. Ensure again not to force the connector in but to twist the cap slightly until you hear a click, then proceed to tighten. Step 6. Secure the red ring of the PowerTrak cable onto the positive terminal of the first battery. And the black ring of the cable onto the negative terminal on the last battery of the bank as shown. Step 7. Clip the connector attachment from the 25-foot cable to the PowerTrak connection cable with the ring terminals, followed by connecting the other end of the 25-foot cable to the PowerTrak communication cable. This communication cable then clicks into the back of the PowerTrak screen. At this point, you can power on the battery bank and wait for the PowerTrak screen to boot up along with it. Once you see the touch screen turn on, you can set up your bank. For more information, visit gopowersolar.com.